Hey guys, it's me Anis, and today I'm going to share with you guys a delicious recipe that's perfect for Buka Puasa or even Raya, which is baked stuffed crab with creamy butter sauce, made of course using my favorite Ideal full cream evaporated milk. First, whisk eggs, corn flour and Ideal full cream evaporated milk for that extra creamy taste. Now add garlic, red chilli, coriander, salt and pepper. Add in crab meat, and I'm using flower crab, and mix gently. Pour the mixture onto the crab shells. Sprinkle a spoon of crushed crackers and top it off with a bit of butter. Bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Prepare butter sauce by melting butter in a wok on low heat. Stir constantly but gently so the butter won't burn and splatter. Once the butter is completely melted, add garlic, curry leaves and bird's eye chilies and saute until fragrant. Now, add Ideal full cream evaporated milk. It is the secret for delicious full cream goodness. Season with salt and pepper and add a bit of sugar to balance out the taste and let it come to a gentle boil. Mix water with cornstarch, and once the sauce comes to a gentle boil, add cornstarch mixture and stir until it comes to a boil again. Remove the sauce from heat and pour over the baked stuffed crab before serving. And there you have it, my delicious baked stuffed crab with creamy butter sauce made with my favorite Ideal full cream evaporated milk. Ideal-fitri Bersama IDEAL. Sajian Raya, barulah ideal dan sedap. Jemput makan guys!